Okay, hello guys. So ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung campaign. So ang campaigns guys, ito yung mga objective natin or goals natin sa ating marketing, sa ating kung ano yung gusto natin mangyari sa ating mga ads. So basically, di ko rin nasabi, yung tatlo na to na tab guys is connected pala sila sa isa't isa. Okay? So later, explain ko yan siya later. So today I'm gonna be talking about the campaign. So in order for you to create the campaign, you need to click here sa create or here, create ad. So, click natin yung create ad. So, ito na yun guys. May tatlong parts din ito sa campaign. O objective natin, yung awareness, consideration, and yung conversion. So, kung awareness guys, kung gusto ang goal mo is to para bang bigyan yung muna ng introduction yung mga followers mo, kung gusto mo silang bigyan ng para bang brand awareness, kung gusto mo i-introduce yung product mo muna sa mga tao, ng mga followers mo, o posibleng mga tao na mag-like sa iyo sa Facebook page mo, ito yung gamitin mo na ads sa campaign, so brand awareness. Okay? So then para yun, may mga meanings na dito sa baba guys. So kung reach, kung gusto mo yung ads mo maka-reach sa mga tao na gusto mong i-target, ito yung piliin mo. Pero when it comes to dun sa atin guys, let's say for example may product ka na, if you're selling bags or if you're selling wallets, or may mga businesses ka like may parang nagbebenta ka ng mga tire supply, parang ganun, anything na local, within local or sa any businesses here sa Philippines, ang pinaka the best to start with is to start with this consideration. Okay, so may different category din niya. May traffic. Basically, it will send people to a destination like a website, app, event, or messenger conversation. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Engagement, usually, ang engagement natin guys, ginagamit yan siya pag gusto natin yung post natin magkaroon ng maraming likes, maraming comments, and maraming shares. So, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng ganyan na post na medyo mag-trending, piliin mo itong engagement, okay? And then kung yung binibenta mo or yung binibenta ng client mo is app, example may Google app, dito mo siya i-click kasi ang objective dito, show your ad to people most likely to download or engage with your app. Okay? Ito yan siya guys. So video views, obviously, dadalhin ng goal na to. At the same time, marami yung video views mo. Okay? So yun ang goal natin. Ang lead generation usually collects leads for your business or brand. Depende, may mga clients din kasi na ang goal nila is lead generation din, na to get email, to get phone numbers. Ito yung pipiliin mo. Or if your business is para bang focuses on more on collecting phone numbers, collecting emails, then you should go with this. Sa messages, yung nakalagay sa baba na message now, ito yun sila guys. So show people ads that allow them to engage with your messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram direct. So sa hindi pa nakakaalam guys, ang paggawa ng Instagram ads is actually from here also sa ating ad account. So since Facebook and Instagram ay isang company na lang kasi binili siya ng Facebook, yung Instagram binili ng Facebook. So yung paggawa ng Instagram ads is dito mo rin gagawin sa Facebook na ad account. Okay? Next, so sa HPC, sa Home-Based Connect, ito yung ginagamit ko na ad, yung messenger ad sa mga messages natin. And may isang business na ako na gumagamit din kami ng messages na ad. Kasi the good thing about this is ma-interact mo yung mga tao na posibleng mag-click sa messages mo and ma-replyan mo sila ng parang direct to the point talaga yung yung conversation ninyo. Okay? So yan ang messages natin guys. Next sa conversion, mostly ito yung ginagamit ngayon sa mga e-commerce. Let's say for example, may website ka. So ang goal mo is to have a purchase doon galing sa ad na ginawa mo. So ang purpose ito, ang goal ito is show your ads to people most likely to take value. Actions like making a purchase, adding payment information on your website, app, or in Messenger. So ang conversion guys, dito tayo nag-focus like let's say for example, may dropshipping business ka, may e-commerce website ka, or may Shopify store ka. This is the conversion ang ginagamit talaga. So back in the day na may dropshipping business pa kami, ito yung ginagamit namin. The good thing about this is matatrack mo tong, kasi nga later ituturo ko din sa iyo kung paano ba maglagay ng mga pixel sa ating Facebook ad account and then connect it to your Shopify store. So, ito yung gagamitin natin guys. Kasi the good thing about this is like this one sa baba na ang goal mo is to make people bibili sa mga products mo, di ba? So, ito yung pinaka the best na for e-commerce. And then, may tinatawag din tayo na catalog sales. Ito yung selected catalog sales campaign objective. To continue with this type of campaign, please create a catalog. So, kailangan mo bang mag-create ng catalog? Pero, we are not doing this kasi nga, very rare lang kasi ang gumagawa ito. For example, if your product is like Shopee or parang Lazada, pero pwede mo itong gamitin din. Or may general store ka, pwede mo siya gamitin. Ang store traffic is show your ad to people most likely to visit your physical stores when they're near them. So, example, if you're a dentist or may pet shop ka, pwede mo itong gamitin. But since, yun nga, running a store traffic ads in areas affected by COVID-19, may ginawa silang parang changes. Unfortunately, we can't run this right now kasi nga because of the COVID-19, syempre kailangan din natin mga social distancing. So, parang dinisable ng Facebook tong feature na to for a while since the start of the COVID-19. So, ang i-suggest ko talaga na gawin natin guys as a start is yung engagement. Kung magparami tayo ng engagement or page likes, i-select natin yan. Tapos event responses, yun. And then yung lead generation, and then yung messages, and then yung conversions natin guys. So, for the purpose of this presentation, we're just gonna make ad dito sa ating messages. Okay? And then, pag makreate mo na yung messages, ito yung basically lang yung campaign. Ito ang under ng campaign guys. Sa first tab natin, campaign, ito yun sila. And then, i-click natin tong drop down arrow para i-click natin yung mga name nila kung gusto mong lagyan ng name. And then, yung ad set. Ito yung sinasabi ko na magka-connect yung tatlo na tab. Campaign, ad set, and yung ad talaga. So, sa next video, ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba natin gagamitin yung ad set. Okay? Let's go. See you sa next video natin guys. Okay?